Looking for the best manicure kits? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 manicure kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Utopia Care Professional Manicure Pedicure Set. Includes finger and toenail clippers, peeling knives, cuticle trimmers, toenail nipper, nail file, V-shaped push stick, tweezers, scissors, blackhead needle, and ear pick. Tools are sharp and sturdy, and the case is good quality as well. A quality manicure kit that features several tools for a good price. Some tools are a little stiff at first. Black matte coating can wear or chip. At number 2, Beauty Bon 10-piece stainless steel manicure kit. Includes 2 nail clippers, toenail clipper, cuticle trimmer, tweezers, scissors, single-edged push stick, V-shaped push stick, nail file, and ear pick. Stainless steel tools are decent quality and includes a synthetic leather case. A super affordable manicure set with every tool you could possibly need to care for your nails at home. The case is a little flimsy, and some people received tools that are different than what is advertised. At number 1, FAMILIFE Stainless Steel Manicure Set. Includes fingernail clippers, toenail clippers, cuticle trimmer, cuticle nipper, ingrown toenail clipper, cuticle pusher, tweezers, scissors, nail file, ear pick, and V-shaped cuticle trimmer. Tools are made out of stainless steel, and the case and tools are good quality. This set is a little pricey, but features good quality tools and a fine leather case. The tweezers are a little too thick for use for eyebrows, and some of the tools aren't very sharp. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.